Hello, my dear students. Welcome to Nivera Public School Standard 3rd SS video class. As you know, we already started our term 1 syllabus. So, in that term 1 syllabus, we completed our chapter 3 and directly we come to the chapter 6 because we completed in PA1 chapter 1, 2, 4, 5. So today's chapter is chapter 6. That is chapter name is chapter 6 is political divisions of India. As you know, political divisions has a states and physical about our mountains, plains, physical structure of the India. So first of all, we start with a good thought. Always believe something wonderful is about to happen. हमारे साथ कुछ अच्छा होने वाला है, ऐसे हमें ऑलवेज विश्वास रखना है. बिलीव मीन्स विश्वास. बिलीव समथिंग वंडरफुल, कुछ भी हमारे साथ अच्छे होने वाला है, ऐसे आपको विश्वास रखना है. नाउ कम टू दी आवर सोशल स्टडीज क्लास. Chapter number 6, Political Divisions of India. Page number, whenever I am going to read, you have to open textbook, page number 37, where I am reading, there I will circle, I am going to circle there, so you have to finger on that circles. Okay, मैं जहाँ पे रीड कर रही हूँ वहाँ पे आपको सर्कल करके देती हूँ, वहाँ पे आप देखते रहना. ओके, सो नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू रीड हियर. आई एम गोइंग टू रीड दिस पार्ट नाउ. वी लिव आइदर इन अ विलेज और अ सिटी. सम विलेजेस एंड टाउन्स टुगेदर मेक डिस्ट्रिक्ट. सम डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स टुगेदर मेक स्टेट. All states together make a country. District, state, etc. are the divisions of a country. India is our country. Its capital is New Delhi. India has 28 states and 8 union territories. Do you know the name of your district and state or union territory? The map which shows these districts and these district states or union territories is called political map. Look at the political map of India. Do you see Pakistan? This is, children, this is our India political map. Where it is? This is our India political map. Now, divisions means part, union territory, the territory with its administrative control lying with the union government. Okay, page number. Now page number, everyone come to the page number 38. Okay, page number 38. Now I am going to read this part. Okay, children, please keep finger on it. China, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Myanmar and Sri Lanka. These are our neighboring countries. Who are your neighbors in your class? Find the Arabian Sea, the Bay of Bengal and the Indian Ocean in the map of India. These are the water bodies. Okay, these are the water bodies. Can you find any other water body? Okay, fact, Rajasthan is the largest state area wise. Now I am going to read here. Children, now I am going to read here. So keep finger there. I am going to read this part now. States, capital, languages spoken. Jammu and Kashmir is capital. Jammu and capital. Its capital is Srinagar. Kashmiri, Urdu and Dogri are spoken here. Number 2, Punjab. Its capital is Chandigarh. Punjabi and Hindi are spoken here. Rajasthan. Its capital is Jaipur. Rajasthani, Hindi and Mewar is spoken here. Okay, students, I am going to read now. this part, so keep finger on there. I am going to read this part now. Please keep finger on there only. Okay. Number 4, Gujarat. Its capital is Gandhinagar. Gujarati is the main language. These 4 states share border with Pakistan. Do you know Mahatma Gandhi was born at Porbandar area of Rajkot in Gujarat. Number 5, Maharashtra. Its capital is Mumbai. Marathi is spoken here. Mumbai was earlier called Bombay. Look carefully, is there any similarity between the map of India and map of Maharashtra? Okay, number 6, Goa. Its capital is Panaji. Marathi and Konkani are spoken here. Okay, now come to the page number 39. Today I am going to read page number, which one? Page number 39. You have to keep open page number 39 here, and I am going to read here to here now. Page number 39. Number 7, Karnataka. The capital of Karnataka is Bengaluru. It was earlier called Bangalore. Kannada and Konkani are the languages spoken here. Number 8, Kerala. Its capital is Thiruvananthapuram. It was earlier called Trivandrum. Malayalam is the language spoken here. The above 5 states lie along the Arabian Sea. Number 9, Tamil Nadu. Its capital is Chennai. It was earlier called Madras. Tamil is the language spoken here. See the bottom tip of the Tamil Nadu. It is Kanyakumari. Number 10, Andhra Pradesh. Its capital is Hyderabad. Telugu and Urdu are spoken languages. The language spoken here. Now, page number 39, I am going to read this part. Students, I am going to read this part now. Please keep finger there. Number 11, Odisha. It was earlier called Orissa. Its capital is Bhubaneswar. Odia is the language spoken here. Number 12, West Bengal. Its capital is Kolkata. Kolkata was earlier called Calcutta. So, Bangla is the language spoken here. These 4 states given above lie along the Bay of Bengal. Himachal Pradesh, its capital is Shimla. Pahari and Hindi are the languages spoken here. Number 14, Uttarakhand. Its capital is Dehradun. It was earlier a part of Uttar Pradesh. Hindi and Kumani are languages spoken here. Now we are going to read page number 40. I am going to read page number 40. So everyone open page number 40, and I am going to read this part now. Okay, so page number 40, serial number 15, Sikkim. It is in between Nepal and Bhutan. Its capital is Gangtok. Bhutia, Nepali and Lepcha are the languages spoken here. Do you know Sikkim was a country like Bhutan? It decided to join India and now is a state of India. Number 16, Arunachal Pradesh. Its capital is Itanagar. This state shares boundaries with China. Adigolang, Monapa and Alka are main languages of Arunachal Pradesh. Nagaland. Its capital is Kohima. Sema and Lotha are languages spoken here. Number 18, Manipur. Its capital is Imphal. Manipuri is the language spoken here. This state also shares border with Myanmar. Number 19, Mizoram. Its capital is Aizawl. This state shares border with Myanmar. Now children, I am going to read this part. Okay. I am going to read this part. With Myanmar, Mizo and English are the languages spoken here. Number 20, Tripura. Its capital is Agartala. It shares boundaries with Bangladesh. Bangla and Chakma are the languages spoken here. Assam. Its capital is Dispur. Assamese is the language spoken here. Number 22, Meghalaya. Its capital is Shillong. Meghalaya means home of clouds. Khasi, Garo and English are the languages spoken here. Maweswanaram is place that receives highest rainfall in the world. It is in Meghalaya. Now we completed reading page number 40. We will move to the page number 41. Okay, now we are at page number 41. We are at page number 41. We are going to read from here to this part. We are going to read now. Uttar Pradesh, its capital is Lucknow. Uttar Pradesh is the most populous state of India. Hindi, Urdu, Awadhi and Bhojpuri are the languages spoken here. Number 24, Bihar, its capital is Patna. Patna was earlier called Pataliputra. Uttar Pradesh and Bihar lie along Nepal. Hindi, Urdu, Maithili and Bhojpuri are the languages spoken here. The following 5 states neither make border with the sea nor with any other country. They are Haryana, its capital is Chandigarh. Jattu, Haryanvi and Hindi are the languages spoken here. 26. Madhya Pradesh, its capital is Bhopal. Hindi is the language spoken here. 27. Chhattisgarh, its capital is Raipur. Earlier, Chhattisgarh was a part of Madhya Pradesh. Hindi is the language spoken here. Number 28. Jharkhand, its capital is Ranchi. Earlier, Jharkhand was part of Bihar. Hindi and Santhali are the languages spoken here. 29. Telangana is the newest state formed on 2nd June 2014. It is the 12th largest state in India. Its capital is also Hyderabad. Telugu and Urdu are the languages spoken here. We completed reading page number 41. Now move to the page number 42. Now I am going to read this part. Now I am going to read this part. So keep finger here. Union territories. There are 7 union territories. Their names are: first one, Chandigarh. Chandigarh is a planned city. It is a union territory. It is also the capital of Punjab and Haryana. Delhi, it is called NCT, National Capital Territory. Daman and Diu, its capital is Daman. Dadar and Nagar Haveli, its capital is Silvassa. Lakshadweep, its capital was Kavaratti. Puducherry, its capital is Puducherry. Andaman and Nicobar Islands, its capital is Port Blair. And Lakshadweep and Andaman Nicobar are islands. Now, newly, number 8, Ladakh, Jammu Kashmir. This is new union territories. Children, we are going to read new part. Okay, new states and new union territory. Okay, now quick review. Quick review is here. We are going to read now quick review. See here, quick review. There are 29 states and 7 union territories in India. Pakistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Myanmar and Sri Lanka are neighboring countries. Jammu and Kashmir, Punjab, Rajasthan and Gujarat share borders with Pakistan. Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim and Arunachal Pradesh share border with China. Nagaland, Manipur and Mizoram share border with Myanmar. Haryana, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Telangana and Jharkhand neither touch any sea nor any country. This is our chapter reading, chapter 6, Political Divisions of India. So children, you have to read this chapter today and you have to underline yourself hard words in the textbook. And you have to learn about our states and capital cities of our states. Okay, I hope you all will do this. Okay, stay safe. Bye bye.